Well, making a Lowe's stop today because I'm here to pick up the official paint of the Blue Crew, Rust-Oleum Safety Blue. You guys can actually sponsor us because we go through a lot of this paint. So I'm gonna grab some of this, but also got an accent color for you guys. That's right, a bit of safety red. It's just all safe here. Safety blue, safety red, it's all safe. So William is getting ready to bring my Crown Vic down. It's his Crown Vic that I'm racing, but I get to paint it and do some work on it, get this thing prepped for my next race. So I'm not gonna race again until this car is ready. Might be a couple weeks, but we're gonna have some fun. William says he's out front here. Hey, look what you got.
Got your old ride here.
You got 3/4 of a race car here.
3/4 of it. The other quarter's in the truck.
Sweet.
Whole bunch of new parts.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we got? What'd you have done?
So we had a guy named Glenn Chapa out of Choctaw. He does the cage, or did the cage in this one.
Yeah.
He's done several of them for me. But,
Beauty.
He did this one, and I'm gonna drop it off with you, and you're gonna do some stuff to it, and then I'll pick it back up and get it up to the racetrack.
Awesome. So need to what? Weld the doors, right?
Yeah. So yeah, first things first. We'll probably start on the suspension stuff first.
Yeah. Okay.
I've got all new upper control arms, lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rod ends. I've got all that stuff with me. I'll have you put all that stuff on. And then once that's all done, you can set the front end on it. And then once the front end's on, then you can tack the door shut. Other than that, it's a race car then.
Nice. That's awesome, man. I am stoked.
Yeah, it's just about. I mean, it's just about done. I mean, you know, a good day's worth of work, and it's ready. Put your seat in it.
Hey, the back glass out, huh?
Yeah. If you got somebody that can do that, if not, I can take it over to the glass.
No, we can saw it out.
Okay. I've got to order a set of seat belts, which I'll get coming. But other than that, man, it's all
sweet.
Should all be good. I just put a little bit more gas in it because the gas was old.
Yeah.
All right. Other than that, it should be good to go.
Sweet, man. That is exciting.
I got some exhaust on it. A little bit of exhaust on it.
All right.
I'll fire it up.
No mufflers.
No mufflers yet. No, just exhaust.
Yeah. I forgot
yeah,
how loud these things are without mufflers.
Yeah. We just put a little muffler on it for just for the rules' sake.
Rule purposes, yeah. Awesome. Yeah, no dash. That's good. So.
I've got a bunch of parts in the truck also that we'll put in here.
Okay.
And as you go, you can just take them out.
Yeah. The battery relocated or anything yet?
So there is a battery box in the back of the truck that you can mount. I'll just have you weld it somewhere. I just bought a brand new battery. You can weld it somewhere back here. If you want to bolt it, you can bolt it, but I'd probably just weld it. And then we'll use a ratchet strap like we do on all of them. That way we can swap them in and out if we have to.
Perfect. Okay.
And then that's in the truck. Like I said, all the fenders, the core support, all the nuts and bolts are in there as well.
I got to figure out how to mount the seat.
Yeah, well, he built this bracket.
Yeah, saw that.
So you could bolt it down here. Or you know, some of them I've had to cut this piece out and weld my own, like attached to here and come out.
Okay.
So it just depends on how you want to sit, where you want to sit in the car.
Right. You got a weight reduction over there on the passenger side, huh?
Yeah.
Ventilation and weight reduction.
Yeah, ventilation, because it gets hot.
It does.
But yeah, this should be a good running car, man. This didn't have but maybe I think 130, 140,000 miles. I can't remember exactly. The odometer's in the trunk.
We power it up.
Yeah, you can plug it in. There's a plug for it.
Okay.
If you want to.
Sweet.
You know.
Okay.
It's just kind of a rough draft right here, but like
clean slate. It's a blank slate, William. That's what it is.
As soon as it's together, we can go racing. But it just needs a few little things, like the transmission cooler here. I brought you another one of these because this one's got a hole in it.
Oh,
so
yeah.
It
Okay.
just 2 bolts and it slides out, pops out.
Okay.
And you put a new one in. I'm just going to assume that it does not have 355 gears in it.
Okay.
But I do have a set of 355 gears that we're going to put in it. So if it does not have them, then we're going to put them in there.
Okay.
If it does have them, then we're going to give those to Chris.
Gotcha.
Like I said, it should be right. It should go just fine.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Cool. Well, let's unload it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go open up the booth over there so we can just unload it and roll it in. All right. Watch that side, yep. Oh, here? Yep, straighten it out. Look back. It's good there. You were really frustrated.
Yeah.
Some frustrations, yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
On your side,
Bro, look at these zombies.
what you got over there?
Zombie arms. Those probably look good to compared to some of the others you've had off, right?
Yeah, so here's a little cheat deal.
Okay.
So some of the guys, I haven't done it.
Oh gosh.
Some of them are cutting these and extending them
Perfect.
for more camber.
Uh-huh.
But
We're not gonna be doing that.
yeah,
No,
we
it's just-
don't. Yeah, these are all good. I mean,
They're lightweight,
yeah,
you know.
a
With
little
some
bit of
rust,
rust action going on.
weight reduction. Yeah. Cool. Okay.
But yeah, we don't do that stuff.
Nah. Nope. We're just gonna go on with the OEM, which are in the car.
Yeah, right. On
So I
the
gotta
side.
figure out how to get in there.
Strap the door, and here,
Oh yeah, good call.
let me unstrap it. Or we could reach through the rat hole.
Oh yeah, we could. Just the trap door down there. Yeah. Or we could just lower the lip, you know. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, it moves, yeah.
We buy these on Amazon.
I was just about to say none of that Amazon crap, but
We buy these on Amazon. They are, what's that part number? K80141.
there you are, everybody. All right.
And they're the only ones that don't have the boot up here. But I've been running these on my car for a long time and haven't had any issues with them.
Perfect.
So
We're
and
knock on wood now.
I've used everything, and honest to God, I've used everything from a $9 ball joint to I think these ones were maybe 24, and I've really not noticed a big difference other than some of the studs will bend.
There you go. Look good.
That's right. Looks like we know what we're doing. So these will be loose. So now we'll put the spindles back on.
Okay.
And I got some
spindles and then tighten the control arms.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll put everything together.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do is we'll tighten the top ball joint. Then we'll tighten the arms, and then we'll work on the bottom, and then we're going to go back and double nut everything.
Cool.
Right. But I want to put new sway bar links on this one, and I have those out in the trunk here.
Nice.
I don't know what year model it was that had that.
So you said the conical, the beveled.
Yeah. So
or the countersunk. Some of them have that on the bottom too.
Yeah. This is going to be your upper, and it fits in that.
Right.
You know, just like that. So, but some years I can't remember exactly which years, but they have a beveled part here. So this one's obviously ran loose for a while and caused that. That's a pretty common problem.
Yeah. Okay.
But a lot of guys will mistake that, and I've done it before, and not put that beveled thing in. So it'll look like this, and there's a piece of metal that fits in there perfectly, and then you have that big washer that locks it down. And then what I always do is double nut them, because these will come loose. 100% guaranteed they will come first.
Double nut.
Yes, double nut it.
Kinky.
Like double tap it, but double nut.
Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Okay. So we'll put this on.
This over here. Here, can I go on, Bob? You got it?
We're just gonna put that on.
You gonna lift this up?
We're gonna put this this on real quick. Slide that in there.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Yeah.
Now.
And all right, perfect. Yep, I've got it. Okay, I have the combination. I'm going to my side now. There's no,
Yep, we'll tighten them up, and then we're gonna double nut the upper and lower. Specifically, the right side is the worst for coming loose, because obviously all that travel bouncing.
Making left turns, putting all that weight on this corner.
Yeah. The sway bar end links probably are the #1 things that come loose.
Really?
Yeah, usually it's right down here.
These guys. Okay.
Because it's moving so much. A lot of guys will remove the sway bars. I've never raced on dirt without one, so I don't know how it would work. But some guys swear by it, some guys don't.
We could disconnect one sometime and see what it does, but I
Not interested.
feel like it. Yeah, no.
I mean, you know, like what we have going works, so I don't know why.
Why?
Try to reinvent the wheel.
Exactly.
So.
That's true. Yeah. All right, so we've got the beast up in the air. Let's do a little undercarriage walk around.
Yeah.
So this was a police interceptor, right?
Yes.
All right.
So identifying traits to one of those, the aluminum drive shaft is the #1 way you can tell. The springs, some people say the springs are different. I don't know. Like I said, we have Mercury Grand Marquis and we have Ford Crown Vics that were not police cars, and they're all just as fast as the other. They all handle great, so I don't see any difference suspension wise. There probably is a difference in springs, but I don't see a difference. This one does have the limited slip rear end. We're going to put 355s in it. It has 327s, which 355s is pretty much a universal gear in that we can use in all the tracks from coast to coast, and it gives you the most bang for the buck.
Now, 355 is higher top end or quicker acceleration?
Both, but like more top end or more acceleration, and so you can have more RPMs.
Yeah.
Which is, you want to stay in that higher RPM band, which these cars don't run a whole lot of RPM anyway, but
right.
And then we have a little bit of ventilation here.
Ventilation, weight savings.
It's perfect.
It's so strange. It's the only place it's rusted out. So that's where all the rat piss was.
Probably right where all the rat piss was.
That's where their nest was. Yeah. Cool.
This one here has the new transmission in it. This is the second transmission that I've rebuilt. So hopefully it works.
Shit. Well, the good news is it's only got to run in second.
Yeah, and it did back off the trailer and pull into the shop. So
it's a start.
We're good there. Trying to think of what else. We just put the new suspension, the new lower ball joints.
All that shiny stuff. Look at that.
New sway bar end links, new upper control arms. And check the front brakes; they're good.
You don't need much brakes anyway.
Now, another deal on these, on a lot of the newer cars, was this oil cooler option.
Oh, cool.
So it runs an oil cooler out of here. The lines tend to leak sometimes, but it's nothing we can't fix.
We put a different tranny cooler on because we
Yeah.
have a hole in the other. So
Yeah, so-
you
so-
hung a new one on there.
This is something that I've mentioned multiple times in the Oklahoma Crown Vic group on Facebook. If you look, you see how this is the transmission cooler side here. So see how the fins are different, or the cooler part's different, and then you get up here to the
They're narrower.
to the so this
center, yeah.
This is a two-part deal. This would be your AC condenser. It would go all the way up to the top of the radiator where you can see the different color change.
Yes.
So it would be AC condenser up here and a transmission cooler down here. And if you cut straight across, you can get rid of all that's blocking the radiator. And so I just
see.
cut it straight across. And the reason we had to change it was because I got a little wild with the hacksaw and chopped up one of these lines on the other. So
Okay. Yeah,
But-
I was wondering about that. Okay, so it's just an abbreviated.
yeah, I
Condenser,
just
cool.
I just shortened it and,
Nice.
and put it in there. And I've gone over all that on the Crown Vic page there on Facebook. But
Yeah, awesome.
yeah, this thing pretty much needs tires. It needs the front end put back on it, which we'll knock out, and then a seat and seat belts, and it's probably ready to hit the track.
Hell yes.
I think we're good.
Hell yes, we are. Yeah, very cool. All right. Well, you want to lower it down? We'll put the front end on it.
Yeah,
Mock that up and then get some dinner.
yeah, we can do that. They're just okay.
All right. Boy, this thing is full of mouse droppings and it does not smell good. Not at all.
Okay.
All right.
So now is when we.
Yeah. Hey, this side's not too bad.
Okay.
That's a little tight, but the gap is wide over here, so the whole hood can come this way. We can make it do that.
That should be good.
That all seems
Just
pretty
seems
good.
to
Yeah, it's just fender in and under. How about there?
How about that?
Oh,
Okay, hang on.
split the differences.
We're moving that, so let's do this.
All right, front end's back on the car, and new suspensions on. Obviously, trying to figure out our fender liner situation here, and then yeah, start cleaning her up. So while William's doing that, I would show you this. I need to get a seat, something that fits me for this car, and I was able to find this OMP HTER seat. This is a composite seat, not metal. It's all cushioned. It's really, really nice. So we're gonna rock that. Just got to mount it up, so I ordered some brackets for that. Pretty excited about the seat.